Hello and welcome to Heilbronn. As one of the very few German suppliers of headphones and microphones, we can still allow ourselves to use the word manufacturer in the true sense of the word. Here at our German location in Heilbronn, we have for many years been successfully manufacturing our Pro products and now also the next generation of creator products, the Pro X series. At Beyerdynamic, we still design and manufacture our new products ourselves. And therefore, it is a great pleasure for me to announce the next generation, the new Pro X series, for the present and future generations of creators. In this new Pro X series, we are presenting two Pro headphones at the same time, the DT700 and the DT900 Pro X, as well as two microphones, the M70 and the M90 Pro X. This means a total of 4 newcomers at once, and we are convinced that you will find that these Pro X products are equally reliable companions as our established DT Pro Studio headphones. We are very proud to see how this positive wave of creativity that emanates from every creator touches and delights so many people. That in turn motivates us to be creative ourselves and to remain so, following the motto, "Create the amazing." So please take a look behind the scenes and find out more about the development and manufacture of our Pro X products in Heilbronn. I think you'll enjoy it. Recording in a hotel room, mixing on a terrace, mastering in a cafe. Modern creators follow their passion everywhere, in their home studios or on the go. To do that, they need versatile headphones that can effortlessly produce excellent sound even from lower-powered playback equipment like mobile devices. And that is exactly what we had in mind when we developed the DT700 Pro X and the DT900 Pro X. With its closed design, the DT700 Pro X is ideally suited for recording and monitoring. The DT900 Pro X, on the other hand, has an open design perfectly suited for listening, mixing and mastering. What definitely makes both headphones special is their acoustic performance, guaranteeing the trusted Beyerdynamic sound thanks to the Stellar 45 driver, newly developed here in Heilbronn. The Stellar 45 is a highly efficient driver system that achieves an impressive performance on all playback devices and always produces a reliable, distortion-free sound even at high sound pressure levels. It can be said to be a new star in the acoustic heavens. On hearing that, our creative department didn't have to think twice. They went right out and bought a real star, which they named after our driver system. Thanks to the wide range of accessories, we offer modern creators maximum flexibility in terms of playback devices, regardless of where they happen to be creating something new. What was also important for us was to live up to our professional standards and to make our new headphones very comfortable to wear. And last but not least, with high-quality materials such as the brushed metal fork, these headphones are designed to be long-serving companions made in Germany, of course.
Natürlich made in Germany.
For us product
designers at Beyerdynamic, our aspiration is that our headphones will allow people to experience the passion with which our customers make their creations audible. The important thing for us in this project above all was to maintain the Beyerdynamic character and at the same time to uncompromisingly bring the product up to date using sophisticated materials and advanced processes. And here we have succeeded with a form fit that is based on seamless transitions. Let's have a closer look at the curved brushed metal fork. This newly developed fork is made using a complex stamping and bending process. It gives the headphones both the necessary stability and the flexibility that we require. Thanks to the milled edges, its surface feels silky soft, and the flat bolts make it easier to hold the headphones. A further highlight is the dynamic design of the open headphone variant. We selected this one from a total of about 50 preliminary designs. It combines the association of sound curves and volumes. This deliberate configuration of differently sized openings allows the sound to achieve a maximum spatial dimension without any loss of detail and gives the headphones a unique appearance.
We
develop and manufacture most of our drivers here at our company location in Heilbronn. We've built up a wealth of experience and expertise in this department. Nevertheless, when it came to the Pro X headphones, it was important for us to take a fresh look at things. What could be done even better? In developing the Stellar 45 driver for the Pro X headphones, we focused both on sound performance and on high efficiency. The high sensitivity of the speakers in the headphones ensures that they produce high performance, not only on stationary playback equipment such as digital audio workstations or headphone amplifiers, but also on mobile devices with limited output power.
Mobilen Devices mit begrenzter Ausgangsleistung performant spielt.
In addition to the driver's high sensitivity, we placed great emphasis not only on high reliability, but also on high consistency of sound characteristics. In order to achieve this, we significantly optimized our existing manufacturing processes and further increased our process reliability. In addition, we used particularly high-quality materials in the most sensitive parts of the driver. The result is consistently good sound from each and every driver we produce. Its outstanding features, typically for biodynamic, are brilliant high-frequency response and excellent transient reproduction. To make the speaker membrane, we used a high-tech film. This film is made of PEEK, a high-performance polymer that is used in aerospace and medical technology, for example, due to its very good mechanical properties, and an integrated damping layer. A key feature of PEEK is its high-dimensional stability when being processed. It is also characterized by high durability and resilience. And the layers of PEEK film enclose the damping layer, thus isolating it from environmental influences and external interference. That means the sound characteristics of the Stellar 45 driver remain constant throughout the entire life of the headphones, regardless of changing environmental influences. The membrane structure of the Stellar 45 driver is also unique. Its structure enables us to precisely position the voice coil in the air gap and to ensure a high degree of control even in the event of high membrane bending.
Für die Schwingspule verwenden wir
To make the voice coil, we use a very thin copper-coated aluminium wire with a diameter of 60 micrometers. The density of this composite material is only half that of pure copper, but it has very good electrical conductivity nevertheless. This allows us to produce an ultralight coil with a weight of no more than 80 milligrams. The lightweight coil brings us advantages with regard to the membrane's high frequency and transient response. The voice coil is driven by means of a highly efficient N52 neodymium magnet. The part carrier serves to accommodate the speaker components. A precisely manufactured metal ring set in the carrier allows pinpoint centering of the voice coil in the air gap, which in this case has a width of no more than 6/10 of a millimeter.
Gerade einmal eine Breite von 6/10 Millimeter.
Finally, the finished speaker is placed in a baffle with acoustic fleece. This baffle has openings around the speaker, and it is this open construction that produces the open sound character for which Biodynamic is renowned. As a result, even closed headphones like the DT700 Pro X deliver a surprisingly open sound experience. With the Stellar 45 driver, we have created a remarkable transducer that meets the high standards demanded of next-generation professional headphones perfectly. The development of the Stellar 45 driver was one factor. The other was the manufacturing quality. By manufacturing the drivers ourselves at our location in Heilbronn, we have complete control over every stage in the manufacturing process. We redesigned our manufacturing processes specifically for the Stellar 45 driver, developing and creating fully automated production lines for this purpose. Our focus was primarily on quality through maximum precision, with the best materials and innovative manufacturing processes. We produce all the sound-critical components of the Stellar 45 driver in-house, starting with the delicate voice coil. The voice coils are made on Biodynamic's own automatic winding machines using wire that is thinner than human hair. Wiring the membrane is a highly delicate process step, and each one is wired by hand in-house. On our new production line, the union between the membrane and the part carrier is performed automatically. One of the highlights here is our innovative positioning of the coils in the carrier. Each finished Stellar 45 driver undergoes an entire acoustic test and is given an individual serial number. With our implementation of Industry 4.0, we are ensuring that Made in Germany remains internationally competitive. By developing this high-performance driver and its own tailor-made manufacturing plant, we have created something here that we can be proud of every day.
Like
the drivers, all the components in the headphones are assembled at our location in Heilbronn. In developing the assembly concept for the Pro X headphones, we placed special emphasis on simplicity that would not allow assembly errors. Due to their smart design, the headphones can be assembled simply by means of terminal and plug connections without any tools. This is an advantage not only on the production line but also for our headphone service concept. There is no need to solder the speakers in, which further increases the reliability of the assembly process. As our employees are our most important asset, we have equipped all the workplaces according to the latest ergonomic standards. All the steps in the assembly of a set of headphones are carried out independently by the same person. Once assembled, each set of headphones is picked up and checked visually and mechanically. All headphones also undergo an end-of-line acoustic test. The headphones are given an individual serial number, which enables total traceability throughout all the manufacturing stages. This ensures that only flawless headphones leave the plant and are delivered to our customers. For a long time now, music has been recorded in home studios by bands, independent musicians and even professionals. Due to the increasing popularity of podcasts and live streaming, creators are now setting up studios at home. As elementary tools, headphones naturally have an important part to play here. However, microphones are of equal importance for capturing the sound. This is where our new Pro X microphones come in. They are the perfect tool to enable creators to bring their visions to life. Using the M70 Pro X, creators can record podcasts and live streams or improve their sound for gaming. This dynamic microphone reduces ambient noise and echo and delivers radio quality sound. The M90 Pro X, on the other hand, is a 34mm true condenser microphone that was developed for top quality recording. It is highly sensitive and has a very transparent acoustic signature, perfectly suited for recording song, instruments or voiceovers. Thanks to its extremely low noise circuitry, it is suitable for all kinds of applications and environments, while its high sound pressure resistance enables it to record virtually anything. The objective of the design of the M70 Pro X was to provide the best sound for voice recordings, while at the same time minimizing unwanted noises such as plosives, keyboard sounds or echo. The microphone therefore has a finely tuned proximity effect that keeps the voice clear and strong at all times. It also includes an integrated pop filter and an elastic mount, as well as a very effective polar pattern for enhancing its focus. In addition, it has a very high output level so that it can be used with any kind of interface without needing additional preamps. In developing the amplifier circuit for the M90 Pro X, we looked at a variety of models, including past ones of our own, and compared their performance. We optimized many aspects in order to achieve an outstanding signal-to-noise ratio with one of the lowest noise designs on the market, while at the same time obtaining a very transparent and natural frequency response. This low noise profile is essential for voiceovers or instrument recordings, in which very quiet elements have to be recorded without any hissing.
Sehr leise Elemente ohne Zischen aufgenommen werden müssen.
Our model for the iconic character of the microphone design was the principle of the solitaire. In both architecture and nature, the solitaire stands for singularity and flexibility, both of which were of great importance as principles for the development of the microphone design. These microphones can also be used for professional applications and are capable of meeting the highest standards. But outstanding technology should also be given expression in aesthetic terms. We do this by echoing various attributes of the Pro, such as minimalistic design and high quality, which also reference our classic microphones like the M160. For the excellent damping design of the shock mount, we drew inspiration from the Japanese maple, for example. In spite of its comparatively thin branches, it is able to bear an enormous weight and endure great strain. This inspiration enabled us to create a design whose minimalistic geometry takes up less space. With our new Pro X series, there are no limits to the creativity of modern creators, and hence the motto, Create the Amazing.
Getreu dem Motto, Create the Amazing.